Hey everybody, this is Robin from Driven. I want to show you a project we've got going on here. We were going to use this 351 Windsor for a couple things around the shop, but like a lot of used engines that are supposedly good when you get them, the more you dig into them, the more problems you find. It turned into a project that we didn't really plan for, but we thought it'd be a good video to make of things that everyday people would run into when you buy a buddy's engine or you just buy one off, the internet or whatever things you run into. During this engine assembly process, we have a Driven product to help you along the way at every step. This is our new engine assembly gel, available in 8-ounce squirt bottles or gallon jugs if you need a little bit more. We use this on the hydraulic flat tappet cam that's in this engine. What's great about that formula is it's a no drip formula. Once it's on there, it won't fall off. It won't fall down into your oil pan. So if you're building an engine and it may sit for a while before you fire it up, use our engine assembly gel, because once it's on the metal, it's not going to go anywhere until the engine fires up. It gets engine oil circulating. It'll dissolve and is soluble in oil. So we use that in our rocker ball fulcrums, push rod tips, of course on the cam and lifters, so you don't have to worry about it drying out on you if the engine's going to sit a little while. Because I know sometimes projects take a little while for the engine gets in the car. So that, especially flat tappet guys, that's what you want to use. We also use our engine assembly grease. You guys are probably already familiar with this. New packaging, 4-ounce tube. We've also, obviously already had it in a 1-pound tub and the little grease packets, but we've got a 4-ounce tube now, a little easier to apply. Same thing with this current product, HVL or high viscosity lubricant. Works really well. You see a video here of me using it on our oil pump assembly after it went through the parts washer. So good thing about this is it's very polar to metal. It sticks in place. It's got a tacky substance. So when you have things like oil pumps that are gear to gear, you're going to want something that's going to hang around during those initial starts and the priming of the oil pump. Earlier I mentioned that this is a used engine, and obviously somebody ran water through the radiator and without any kind of additive or protectant in it. So we used our CSP in here. It's full of rust inhibitors and some other good detergents that'll keep your cooling system protected, especially guys that just run water in your race cars. We're going to do a rinse and repeat flush in this thing and see if we can get it cleaned up. But that right there will knock a lot of that corrosion stuff out and keep it protected from here on out. And like a lot of guys that have hot rods, you're not going to run your car every day, all day. Same thing with this engine stand. Once we're done with it, we're going to probably store it for a little bit. We use some of our carb defender as well, because I'm just using 93 octane pump gas in this thing. So all the stuff, the ethanol that's in fuels these days, that'll take care of it and keep your needles and seats and stuff clean without any of that green stuff growing in there while your car's sitting in your garage. So we're going to use that. That'll keep that stuff at bay. Of course, at the end of the job, familiar with our speed clean, used to clean up my tools and any assembly grease and stuff that I spill all over the ground trying to build this thing. You guys know, if you've ever used some of our assembly products, how hard it is to get it off the ground or off your tools. A speed clean will take care of it. All right, guys, if you have any questions on how to break your engine in, what engine oil to run, please give us a call. We'll help you out. Shoot us an email, info@drivenracingoil.com. Thanks for watching, and until next time.